Welcome guys. Well, today we're gonna make you a healthy drink. Basically it's only gonna be beetroot and ginger. All right. First of all, this is my plastic tub right here, and I have 3/4 glass of water. That all I gotta do is to make you guys know that I'm just gonna use one big beetroot, a large one, like this. And simple, we're just gonna remove the skin, just peel it. And I'm wearing gloves at the moment because what happened now, the beetroot is so red, but you have to wear gloves to get away that redness, because it's going to mess up your hand. And be careful because sometimes it do splash when you're peeling it. Nice one. So basically what I'm gonna do is just simple cut it up very small. Then we're gonna get a nice lovely piece of a ginger. You don't need to peel it, just cut it up. Put it straight inside of it like that. Nice and lovely guys. So basically, as you can see, exactly what's taking place. I'm just gonna remove my gloves. We got 3/4 glass of water. And what we're gonna do is squeeze half a lemon in the water with the seed and everything, because we want to get that flavor from the seed. Lovely. And you can make this at home. Only beetroot and ginger. And now what we're going to do is put some honey. Few ices for coolness. And then what we're going to do next is simple cover. And blend for about 4 to 5 seconds. Nice. So basically the beetroot is finished blending. What we're gonna do is simple. Strain it. Sometimes it's not always good to drink the 5-up, but we're just gonna simply strain it like this. Look at that nice lovely color. And not only that, beetroot is good for blood, good for cancer. There are so many things beetroot can do. Nice one. Lovely. Then, next, get your glass. Oh man, this is so fantastic because I love my beetroot. Then ice is a must. And pour everything in it like this. Oh my days guys, just look at that. Beetroot and ginger, very simple and easy recipe. A healthy drink which you can have at lunchtime or at dinner time. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And the beauty with this drink, it's also good for cancer, good for blood circulation, and there's a lot of more stuff. But basically I didn't use the fiber inside of it. I just give it a lovely strain and just get that nice lovely juice. But look at that flavor, look at the ice and the texture and everything, really cool. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments and see you next time. Bye bye.